Have you ever heard of bees saving someone's life? In 2011, 42-year-old Ellie Lobel was ready to die. Stricken by a mysterious illness, she hired an end-of-life care person and checked into an Airbnb to spend her final days. One day, Ellie decided to take a walk. Suddenly, African killer bees swarmed and stung her repeatedly. Ellie, expecting the worst, was helped back to the house and went to bed, anticipating the end. But something miraculous happened. Over the next 3 days, Ellie began to feel better. She had been suffering from Lyme disease, contracted from a deer tick bite years before. Out of curiosity, she searched online and found a 1990s Australian study that suggested bee stings from African killer bees could potentially cure Lyme disease. Ellie had unwittingly tested this theory on herself, and it worked. The bee stings completely cured her Lyme disease, transforming her near-death experience into an incredible story of accidental healing.
Thanks for tuning in. Remember to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below.